Hi everyone, this is Miss Heather, and today's parable, or this week's parable, is about the parable of the sower. And sower means grower, or you can think of it as a farmer or a gardener. So we're going to make flowers. So what you'll need is, I don't have kids, so I don't have a lot of supplies, but you'll need a pen or a pencil, two of them. Then you'll need a marker that you can use to write on your flower petals. You'll need colored paper, or if you don't have colored paper, then take a plain piece of paper and use crayons. You'll also need tape and a pair of scissors. Now remember, whenever you're using scissors, make sure that you have a grown-up around, especially when it comes to your cup. Oh, I forgot, you also need a cup. Styrofoam is the best. Mine is plastic and I had trouble poking the hole, so always have a grown-up nearby to help you with the scissors. So first thing we'll do is out of our yellow paper or on a piece of paper, make a yellow circle, okay? Then we're gonna cut out the circle. Again, have a grown-up help you with the scissors if you need it. And don't worry if it's not perfect, okay? It can be, kind of oblong, kind of egg-shaped, kind of weird looking. Doesn't matter. Nature isn't perfect either, but it's still beautiful. Then you can have some leaves. So all you do is you kind of make an oblong or a triangle-y like circle. So you want to cut those out of your green paper or color some paper green and then cut out your stems or your leaves. And then finally, you're going to draw some petals. So I made my petals kind of round with a flat bottom, but you can do anything. So maybe I want to make a petal that's kind of jaggedy like this. So like that. As long as you can cut it out, it doesn't matter. So once you've cut out everything, you're going to take your petals of your flowers and you're going to write something that God likes to see a person do or to be. So he likes people to be hopeful, to be loving, to be kind. On this one, I'm going to write teacher because that's what I am. So, and I know God loves teachers. So I wrote teacher on there. The next thing you're going to do, take your yellow circle and you're going to put your flower petals all around the outside. Can you guys see that? Put your flower petals all the way around the outside. Okay, I made mine out of different colors and you can too. So once you get them all the way around, take your tape, and you'll have to probably use two pieces of tape. Tape your flower petals to your center of your flower, which is the yellow part. And if you have a glue stick, you can use a glue stick too. So you should end up with your flower top. Now, most of you probably have pencils. I, again, don't have pencils. So I took my green pen here. So take your green pen and you're going to tape your flower to the top right there. So what I did is I did that normal thing you do with tape where you bend it on itself so that it makes a double-sided piece of tape. And I put that right there on the back of my flower, okay? And then I stick it right on the top of my pencil or pen. So now I've got a lovely flower. Then, if you made them, you can take your leaves and you can do the same thing. You can put them on your flower like that. Again, use another piece of tape and just tape it right on there. Now, here's the tricky part, and you're definitely going to want a grown-up to help you with this. You're going to, if you have a styrofoam cup, it should be fairly easy, but you basically stab down into the cup in order to make your flower pot. But I had a plastic cup, and it was really difficult to cut the holes. So again, I actually would have preferred another grown-up around to do it for me because I was afraid I was going to hurt myself. So definitely have a grown-up help you to get your flowers into its pot. But that's it. Now you have your own flower pot and you're ready for the parable of the sower on Sunday. Have fun!